BJP leader Jaswant Singh is in a critical condition after being operated upon for a head injury at the Army Research and Referral Hospital here in New Delhi. My colleague Nitin Gokhale is there and joins us for more on this. Nitin, what is his situation at the moment? What are the doctors telling you? And also we've seen a steady stream of politicians coming in to meet Jaswant Singh this morning.
Well, certainly the doctors are not giving us any official confirmation of what exactly is happening. But sources in the RR hospital have told us that Mr. Jaswant Singh is critical. He is in the intensive care unit. After he was brought here last night, he was found unconscious in his house and he was brought in post midnight to the Research and Referral Hospital of the Indian Army here in New Delhi. He was operated upon at about between 2 and 3 early this morning, and since then he is in the ICU but in a critical condition. One doctor in fact described his condition as touch and go, but there is no official word on what his condition is, and there is unlikely to be any medical bulletin officially given out by the hospital is what we are hearing here. Yes, of course, Mr. Advani, his former colleague, former Home Minister, former Deputy Prime Minister, was the first to visit him in the RR hospital. A little while ago, former Defence Minister and Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh was also seen entering the hospital premises here. We are outside the RR hospital at Dhaula Kuan. There is no access to the hospital or the ICU or to the ward, which is about a kilometre from where we are standing in front of the gate here. But that's the update from the RR hospital in Delhi.